Number 32. Simplify by writing the expression in lowest terms. The first thing we want to do is to factor the numerator. So we'll look at the numerator, and we want to take 3 times negative 8, which gives you minus 24, and you want to list all of the factors of 24. So you have 1 times 24. Now since we want to end up with a plus 10, the larger one has to be plus, so it's a negative 1 and a plus 24, which gives you a plus 23 when you add them. A negative 2 times 12 will give you 24. That's 24 divided by 2 is 12. And when you add those two, you get to 10. Now that's the one we want. But let's go on. You have 3 times 8 is 24. When you combine negative 3 and plus 8, you get a plus 5. And minus 4 and plus 6 combines to give you plus 2. 4 times 6 is 24, and negative 4 plus 6 equals 2. The one we want to use is the one that gives us the 10, because we have a 10x up there. So we'll write 3z and 3z, and we'll write negative 2 and plus 12. On the right factor, we'll factor a 3 out. 3 times z is 3z, and 3 times 4 is 12, and we'll throw away the 3. So we're left with 3z minus 2 and z plus 4. And that's my numerator. Now going to the denominator, we're going to factor 4z squared plus 21z plus 20. So we want to do 4 times 20, which is 80. We want to have 1 times 80, and 2 times 40, and 4 times 10. That's a 4 times 20, 4 times 20. And then you're going to have a 5 times 16. Then you'll have 8 times 10, and there are no other factors, because there's nothing between 8 and 10 that will go into 80. The ones that we want to use are the ones that give me the 21, which is 5 and 16. So I'll copy the 4z down twice, and I'll put a 5 and a 16 in there. On the right side, I'll factor out the 4. 4 times z is 4z. 4 times 4 is 16. We'll throw away the 4, and that leaves me my factors for my denominator. Writing these two factors in my original fraction, we'll replace it with the factors. There's my numerator. We figured that out. There's my denominator. And now you can see that z plus 4 is common. We can factor it out, and we can cancel it, and that'll leave you 3x minus 2 over 4x plus 5.